So what's better than supervised full self-driving in a Cybertruck? How about no driver at all? So I finally got actual smart summon. Of course, this isn't my truck, it's a loaner, because mine unfortunately is getting the HVAC fixed in August. Well, as always, thank you for joining and listening to my channel here. I just wanted to go ahead and demo actual smart summon. As you can see, it's as simple as open it up in the app, choosing summon, and you get that screen on the right, and then you hold down the blue button. Obviously, a little target is where I'm standing, and the red is the Cybertruck itself. So you basically hold it like a dead man's switch, so if you let your finger off, it'll stop, of course. You'll notice when it started, it put its little hazards on and checked its surroundings. I just went to a nearby parking lot that I knew wouldn't be too busy. I didn't want to inconvenience folks at the Costco today. Anyway, so you hold the button and here it comes. As you saw, it did stop at that stop sign on the corner, so it is following the law. It doesn't park. It pulls up more curbside, just so you're aware. And then you can get in and go about your business. It really is convenient if you've got your arms full, if it's bad weather, or other scenarios, of course. So anyway, I had a few people requesting this, so please do comment, like, and subscribe. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please just let me know and I'll do my best to get it filmed and put up on YouTube for you. So thank you again.